we're making big spaghetti squash boats with turkey and spaghetti sauce and a side of broccoli.
Sounds good.
What we like to eat on training days is a dinner that we know is going to repair our bodies post-workout. And this meal my wife makes is exactly that. Okay, and before we get started, I just want to let you guys know, all our food is measured out, and this specific meal fits our specific macros. And currently we are in a calorie deficit because we're trying to lean out. So what you're going to need is one organic spaghetti squash, okay, that you're going to gut. You're going to clean it out, and then you're going to add some extra virgin olive oil. You're going to add some salt and pepper. And once you're done adding the salt and pepper, you're going to flip them over, and you're going to put it into an oven that's set at 400 degrees for 30 minutes. What do you have to do now that the spaghetti squash is in the oven?
While the spaghetti squash is in the oven, I need to cut up the broccoli and get that ready for steaming. I need to make my spaghetti sauce to put on it, and I need to brown the turkey.
All right, well, we're just gonna trust that you know what you're doing.
Me too.
Now it's time to prep the broccoli. Make sure you don't waste any of the broccoli. Cut the florets, cut the stalk, and cut up the trunk, and then place it into a pot. And once it's all in the pot, you're going to get about 1 cup of water and add that to the pot and get ready to steam it. All right, guys, now it's time to make the spaghetti sauce. We don't buy ours in a jar. We kind of make our own. So you're gonna need some garlic, and you're gonna mince it up. You're going to put 1 can of tomato sauce into a pot, add some tomato paste, and then we're gonna add some extra virgin olive oil, a little bit of balsamic vinaigrette, add some salt, some pepper, some onion powder, some rosemary, some thyme, and some oregano. Then you're going to stir the pot. And once you've stirred the pot, go ahead and add in your minced garlic. Yeah, so now we got the sauce cooking. Now we're going to get ready to prep the ground turkey. We're going to use, it's 98% lean. Go ahead and throw that into a hot pot and dice up some green onions, and then we're gonna throw in some salt, some pepper, and then top it with the green onions and go ahead and mash it up and make sure it's fully cooked. And after 30 minutes, you're going to remove the spaghetti squash from the oven. You're going to use some tongs and strip the insides of the spaghetti squash so it looks like it's spaghetti. And once you're done doing that, you're going to add the turkey on top. And once the turkey's on top, you're going to add the sauce. Okay, so go ahead and place the sauce on top. All right, on both. There we go. Now you're going to cut some cheese. All right, I've got some spicy goat cheese, and my wife has some regular goat cheese. All right, and from there, you're going to put it back into the oven for about 5 to 10 minutes to let the cheese melt on top of the spaghetti squash. And once your broccoli's done, go ahead and place it on your plate. Take out the spaghetti squash after 5 to 10 minutes. Yeah, look at that. That looks delicious. And here we go. Look at that. A nice spaghetti squash boat and a side of broccoli. And let's go ahead and give this a taste test, shall we?
Let's see what we got here.
Cheesy. Oh.
Okay. You got some cheese?
Yep. Try. Okay.
All right, cheers.
All right, cheers.
Okay.
Yummy.
That's good. I like it.
Good job, chef.